Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello and welcome. I am so happy to have you. Today I will be sharing an organized and deep clean of my bathroom. You all, it's super messy, and ever since school started I haven't touched it, and boy can you tell. I am also really excited about today's video because I will be adding some fall decor. I'm curious, who's all excited for fall and who's still holding on to summer? Let me know in the comments.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline.
Over on my Instagram the other day, I asked you all to ask me anything you want because I want to do a Q&A. But I didn't get enough questions, so now I want to ask you all to do the same so I can do a Q&A on my next cleaning video. In the comments, ask me anything you want so you can get to know me better.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are, we can run. Oh.
If you all are wondering what I'm spraying all over the tiles, it is a mixture of water, vinegar, and dish soap.
Stars, no more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones, we can break this silence. We can break this silence. We can break this silence.
So now that my belly is too big for me to lean over the tub, I'm just gonna hop my butt into the tub. But honestly, it's a win-win because my tub gets clean and so do my feet. So to clean the jets, I like to use a toothbrush. I'm curious, what do you guys use to clean your jets?
If I were you, I would have gone too. If my life was such a mess, I wouldn't be you. But I woke up to yet another morning. Out of the blue, you went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace and find.
Just gonna go through the drawers and organize and declutter them a little. There's a lot of things that don't belong and a lot of stuff that is empty.
You went and left me here alone.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind.
So now for the exciting part, I'm just going to add a few fall decor pieces. Who else is like me and gets super excited to decorate?
Morning, what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's a time to move on, but I cannot. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target.
Now I'm just going to clean my floors with a rag and pine salt and water.
Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
That is it for today's video. I hope it gave you all some motivation. I wanted to say that my son came into my room while I was editing and told me I had 816 subscribers, and I don't know what to say. I am so happy you all are enjoying my channel. It means the world to me. If you are someone who wants to start a channel and you're scared because you don't have a camera or the right equipment, don't let that stop you, because let me tell you a little secret. I still film from my iPhone 6. Yes, you guys, iPhone 6. But I'll stop talking, but thank you, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you're new, I would love for you to consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. And as always, you guys, have a wonderful day.